Welcome to channel. In this class, we are discussing about how to find the month code. Actually, this month code can be used for shortcut purpose. Yes. So, how to find the month code? See here, what are the months are there in a year? Generally, year contain 12 months. Okay. Now, in these 12 months, in ordinary year contains 365 days. Leap year contains 366 days. Okay. Now, there is some differences there between ordinary year and leap year. Actually, odd days in ordinary year are 1. In the same manner, leap year odd day is 2. Leap year odd days are 2, and in ordinary year odd days are 1. Okay. Now, there is a difference is there in code also between leap year and ordinary year. What is the difference and how to find the code? Okay. What is a code? Is nothing but a symbol for the month, that's all, which can be designated as a digit 0 to 9. Okay. Order maybe. Now, what is the starting month of the year is Jan. Okay. January can be coded as 0. Why? Because it is the starting month. Yes or not? It is the starting month. So, it can be coded as 0. Now, actually, February contains 28 days in ordinary year and 29 days in leap year. Okay. But what is the code for Feb in leap year and ordinary year? First of all, we want to know about ordinary year, after that leap year. Ordinary year. Ordinary year, Jan containing 31 days, Feb containing 28 days, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. That's all. Only difference is there between ordinary year and leap year is Feb. In leap year, which contains 29 days, Feb containing 29 days, but in ordinary year, which contains only 28 days. That's all. That's the difference between ordinary and leap year. Okay. Now I want to find the code from Jan to December in ordinary year. How to find? Simple. Now I recorded as for Jan is 0. Starting month is 0. Okay. Why you are taking 0 means just starting month, that's all. Simple. Generally, Sunday to Saturday we can code it as 0 to 6. You know that. Yes or not? So in the same manner here also, Jan can be coded as 0 first of all. Now what is the code for Feb? Okay. I will find the month for Feb first of all. After that you can find March to December. Now 31 plus 20, 51. Okay. 51 means what? How many days are there here? 51 days. But we want odd days. Whenever you want odd days, at that time you can divide this number by 7. Yes or not? Why? Because we contain 7 days. 7 means what? 7 7 ja 49. Remainder is 2. These are the odd days. But Feb 20 means 20 by 7. 20 by 7. These are total odd days from Jan to Feb 20. But we are taking only Feb 20. Only 20 days in Feb. So, how many? 7 2s are 14 and remainder is 6. How many odd days are there? 6 odd days. Only in Feb 20. But from Jan to 20 we will have 2 odd days. So how to find the code? Nothing but simple logic. See here, we want 2 totally. 1, 2 totally. But we will have only 6 in Feb. So we are adding 3, 5, 6. This is the code for Feb. How it is possible? 6 plus 3, 9 by 7. Remainder is 2. So we are getting the remainder 2. Yes or not? This belongs to Feb. 3 belongs to code for Feb, odd days. But totally we will have 2 odd days from Jan to Feb. Please understand the point here. Jan to Feb 20 we will have 2 odd days totally. But in these total odd days we will have Jan Feb 20 also. Now we want only code for Feb. That is why we are taking this 20 by 7. 7 2s are 40, 6 remains. Those 6 are odd days, you know that. Now, these 6 days, how much you have to add to get 2? Means what? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 7, 1. Remainder as 2. These are the odd days. So, this is the code for Feb. Now, code for March. Take for example March 24. Yes? See here, how many days are there from January to March 24? See here, Jan, Feb, March. Jan containing 31 days, Feb 28 days in ordinary year, March 24 up to 24, that's all. Add these 3. How much? 59, 63, 83. Divided by 7. We are dividing with 7. These are 7 days in a week. Okay. Now 1. How many days? What is the remainder? 6 remainder. These are odd days. Okay. Now take 24. 24 by 7. 3 remainder is 3. Only for 24, this is remainder. These are odd days. Total odd days are 6. So, code for March is nothing but 3 only belongs to 24. But we want total code. This is code for these are the odd days for March 24. But we are getting total odd days 6. How much we have to add for 3? We have to add 3 for 3. That's all. We are getting 6. So this is the code for March. That's all. Okay? In this way, you can find the code. For example, take some May. For example, code for May. May 27, whatever it is, whatever you can take. May 1st to 31st, whatever you can take. Now I am taking 27. Now we can add all days. January, February, March, April, May 27. Add all these things. 59, 61 is 27. 60, 120, 147. Yes, 147 divided by 7. So remainder is 0. Yes or not? Remainder is 0. Now take 27. 27 by 7. 7 3 ja. Remainder 6. Now this is the code for 27. May 27. This is the code for total from Jan to May 27. But we want 0. Yes or not? We want 0. So code for May equals to, we want 0 means what? But add 1 for 6. This is the code for May. That's all. Why? Because 7 by 7 remainder is 0. Actually quotient is 1 but remainder is 0. That is odd days. Those are odd days. That's why we are adding 1. So code for May is 1. Okay? In this way you can find the code for all the months. Yes or not? Now find the code for December. Okay? Take some December 15 for example. December 15. Okay. Now Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December 15th. That's all. But because we want one up to December 15th. That's all. Okay. Now add all these things. Okay. This is 59, 61, 61, 62, 61, 45. Add all these things. 240, 245. Yes? 245. This is 45. 290. 290. 349. 349. 7. 7. 4 ja. Yes? 6 remains. 7 9 ja. Remainder is 6. But we want division by, now 15 by 7. 7 2 ja. Remainder is 1. Odd days in 15 days are 1. Odd days in total days are 6. But we want the code for December means simply 5 plus 1. These are total odd days. These are odd days for only December. So 5 plus 1, 6 is nothing but this is the code. Code for December. That's all. Okay? In this way you can find the code for all the months in ordinary year. Now we will take how to find the code for months in leap year. Okay? See here. Leap year contains 360 days. In leap year you will have February contains 29 days. Okay. Now already told codes in ordinary year. These are the codes for ordinary year. Now leap year codes. Simply codes in leap year. Simple logic. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4. 7 means what? 7 by 7 again? 0. 1 plus 1, 2, 5. 7 means 0. Why? Because 7 by 7? No odds. Remainder is 0. 3, 6, 1, 4, 6. That's all. These are the codes in leap year. Now I will show an example for you. Take some August. Okay. Feb. How many days are there in Feb for leap year? 29. Please remember this. Don't forget. March, April, May, June, July, August. That's all. Now take pair 60, 61, 61, some 46. 3 6 182 188 228. By 7. Why you are dividing 7? You know. We guess 7. Now 1 for getting 4 is nothing but 3. This is the code for August. Leap year. See here. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. Yes or not? See here. Code for leap year in August. Code for August in leap year. 3. Yes or not? In this way you can find the codes for all the months. When in doubt, please message me. Okay? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.